Oh, it's beeping. Hello? New video. I'm on a game called I'm Cat. It won't be quiet. Right. Be quiet. Fluffy Joe? But that'll be it. And oh, what? Oh! What is she saying? Oh! Didn't mean for that. I promise I didn't mean that. I'm on the stove. Oh no. Is she angry? Oh no, she's angry.
You're
Buckle.
right for me.
Buckle, you gotta go upstairs, right? Go upstairs, upstairs. Hello there. This is a game. As you can tell, I'm playing it. It's in VR, of course. Oh, is that the big clock? This is a game called I Am Cat. It's actually really cool. I played a tiny bit of its demo. I think that's what it was, but I haven't played the full new game, isn't it? It's like it got its proper game demo. Oh no, don't let go. Rip. Get. Morning, rookie. Let's test your agility. You're safe from the house, but the outdoors will be tricky. Let's start with a few simple tasks. Ooh. Whoa. Taser? Oh, it's like world map. What? This game has really evolved since the last time I played it. Oh. Back here. Ask, yeah. Can I see the next one? Ooh. Time. Ooh, we need card. Come on. Nothing but net. Oh! That was close. Oh. That was so close. Come on. Oh, I need to be a bit close. Can I just do a dunk? Like a. Oh. Yeah! I think I actually went in. Catch all mice in 5 seconds. This one over here, isn't it? No, this one's. Bowser. Move! Oh no, stretch. Then, move. Down, where are they? There. The arrows are actually helpful. I thought it said, go, put it in. Look. Where's the arrow at? Yes! Those last second! I've already done 2 apparently, but one there. Bam! Beautiful. Oh, what the? She's watching the cat. Oh, it's so cute. Video shop. Whatever the heck is this? Is it like I can't wait to break? I can't wait to go. Are we even gonna go there and move the break? Oh, vase. Oh, what a shame! It would be a shame if someone were to. Oh no! You want to go back to the vase shop and clean it up? Oh no! What a shame! There's more vases. I want to knock them all over. What a shame, Granny! Oh no! Such a shame. Wait, we're gonna stop breaking a vase or something? So I won't drop all the pills onto the floor. Mr. Nick gets brief place. All 3 couches? Oh, my favourite. Oh. Oh. Oh! Is this what I'm meant to do? I actually don't know. Scratch 3 couches in the house. Oh, this is quite a lovely couch. Oh, it would be a shame if someone were to. Oh no! The couch. What a shame.
There's a rain.
Dude, stop watching your cat videos. What kind of... Wait, is one? This feels wrong. Oh no, she... Go, quickly. It wasn't me, I promise. It was the cat next door. He broke in. What terrible news. No, no. She's a pan. She's a pan.
Okay, far from me.
Get away. Oh. Yeah. All the pillows on the floor. Oh, be shaved. Oh. Oh no, the pillows all falling. Oh. What a shame. Really would be. Oh no. What are you meant to do? Like, she's going, oh, this place is smashed. Oh, that was not me, Granny. I would never. It was the neighbor's cow, Fluffy Joe. He keeps like breaking in and chucking your plates around. He's so rude, isn't he? Typical Fluffy Joe. I mean, like, what's Fluffy Joe been up to lately? Like, come on. Hey, she's happy. I did it! Oh, there's a bunch of new stuff. What? It's only good for you. Leave claw marks in the carpet. Oh. Oh, that's rude. Oh, that's really mean. That's some mean stuff right there. I think it's gonna be me done for today. Oh, I need a password. 1, 2, 3, 4. Enter. Aw. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. I think it's the end for now. Make sure you subscribe. This is very fun. Enjoy this video. There she is. Leave a like if you enjoyed, and also subscribe. This is, of course, gonna help me out a ton if you decide to. And if you want to see me play more I'm Cat, you can. See if I can eventually be bad enough to see the outside world. So, have a good day.